যৌক্তিকভাবে তারা বিভিন্ন বিষয়ে জানছে। আমি এ সময় সামনে ডেকে নেব আমাদের সেই শিক্ষক প্রতিনিধি জনাব মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল হান্নান স্যার। সামনে আসবেন এবং আমাদের শিক্ষার্থীদের উদ্দেশ্যে ছোট করে কিছু কথা বলবেন।
Welcome, guests, ladies and gentlemen, and young guys in front of me. We may or we build a world where all the youths are safe, strong, and will be valued. With this motto, BYFC started their journey to make this nation free from drugs or addictions. They are mostly doing this young guys, even the nations makes free from drugs or narcotics. We people who are teaching in the academic institutions, we are teaching mostly or exclusively the bookish knowledge we are giving the students. But BYFC giving the real life knowledge, they are providing moral values, life skills, even making their career. And with this motto, these 3D programs are starting for these 3 days. Those who are participating here will be able to aware of these 3 things. That means they will get some moral values or moral things, even how they will use their knowledge, what they are getting from their institutions, and it will be followed for the future generations. So, I think they are providing that, they are making the students knowing that only a certificate doesn't certify you. You should know more than that, and that are being known to you by these institutions, BYFC. They are trying to able to know you what is the morality and how will build your career in future, so that you can make the nations without even free from drugs, narcotics, or even corruptions. That's why we want to say, leave out the drugs and hold the pen to make the nation free from addiction. Thank you all very much.